There is a skirt hanging in more wardrobes over 50 than almost any other piece. And yet, most women are only getting about half of what it can do for them. The midi skirt. Quiet, elegant, completely timeless. And when worn correctly, genuinely one of the most flattering, age-defying pieces a woman can own. But here is what nobody tells you. The same midi skirt that makes one woman look effortlessly polished can make another look heavier, shorter, and somehow older without either woman understanding why. The difference is never the skirt. It is always the knowledge. Today, on Golden Chic Life, I am giving you 7 midi skirt secrets that will completely transform how you wear this one piece after 50. And I am staying until the end to give you a bonus that most women never figure out. 1 skirt, 3 completely different looks built from the same piece you already own. Stay with me. Every single secret builds on the last. Secret 1. Fabric is everything. Movement is the goal. Have you ever watched a woman walk into a room and thought, there is something about the way she moves? Her clothes seem to flow with her rather than sitting on her. Her skirt shifts and drapes as she turns. She looks effortless without appearing to have tried. That is not confidence alone. That is fabric working correctly. A midi skirt can only be elegant if its fabric allows it to move. And this is the first decision, the one that happens before you even try it on. Run the fabric between your fingers. Hold it up and let it fall. Does it drape naturally? Or does it hold its shape more rigidly than your body does? The fabrics that work beautifully on women over 50 are viscose, silk, fluid, linen, and soft crepe. These materials move with the body rather than against it. They catch the light. They create the gentle, continuous motion that reads as elegance in every room. Pleats add natural movement from the hip. A soft flare or godet cut where extra fabric is inserted into the seam creates flow from the knee down. And a subtle side slit, nothing dramatic, just a few inches, is what gives a midi skirt its modernity. It breaks the stiffness and makes the whole piece feel alive. The common mistake is choosing a skirt for its color or print without checking how it behaves in motion. Always walk in it. Sit down. Turn around. If it fights you, it is not your skirt. Because when your clothes move with you, everything about the way you carry yourself becomes more natural, more elegant, and entirely more you. Secret 2. Your perfect length is personal and precise. The most elegantly dressed women understand something about midi skirts that most women have never been told directly. The length is never an accident. It falls at exactly the right point on the leg, and that point is different for every woman. Here is the principle. You want the hem to fall at the slimmest part of your leg, not at the knee, and never at the widest part of the calf, because where the hem hits is where the eye stops. And you want the eye to stop somewhere that flatters the silhouette rather than widening it. If you are petite, just below the knee is your most elegant length. It creates the longest possible visible leg line without the skirt overwhelming your frame. If you are curvier, mid-calf produces a cleaner, more continuous line that skims rather than clings. If you are tall, you have genuine freedom here, experiment, because you carry length beautifully. The mistake nearly every woman makes is trying on a skirt, standing completely still in front of a mirror. That tells you almost nothing useful. Walk across the fitting room. Sit down. Cross your legs. Turn and look at yourself from behind. Because the real length, the length that other people see when you move through the world, only reveals itself when you are actually moving through the world. Find your length. Then commit to it completely. Once you know it, it becomes the one thing you never compromise on again. Secret 3. The shoe that quietly makes your legs look longer. I hear this from women regularly. Heels are finished for me. My feet cannot do it anymore. And I understand completely. But here is the reframe that changes everything. Elongating the leg line has nothing to do with heel height. It has everything to do with the visual line your shoe creates at the ankle. And done correctly, a flat shoe is every bit as leg lengthening as a heel. The shoes that work most beautifully with a midi skirt are kitten heels, soft, feminine, and genuinely wearable all day. Refined leather or suede loafers, effortlessly chic and endlessly versatile. Minimalist sandals with a clean, simple strap. and a low-cut pump with no ankle strap, which is one of the most elegantly leg-lengthening shoes ever made. Here is the stylist's secret that most women never discover. When your shoe color is close to your skin tone or close to the color of your tights, you create one continuous visual line from hip to floor. The eye travels downward without interruption, and everything appears longer, leaner, and more elegant. It is one tiny decision that changes the entire proportion of the outfit. The common mistake, and I want to name this clearly because it is so widespread, is the thick ankle strap. An ankle strap cuts the leg at precisely its widest point, creating a visual full stop exactly where you least want one. Switch to a low-cut, strap-free shoe, and the difference is immediate and unmistakable. The right shoe does not announce itself. It simply makes every other element of the outfit look better. Secret 4. Monochrome is quietly the most powerful tool you own. This is the secret that surprises women most consistently. And it may be the single easiest transformation in this entire video. Dressing in one color family from head to toe, or at minimum from waist to floor, creates one continuous, unbroken visual line through the body. The eye travels upward without pausing, without being divided. The result is a silhouette that appears taller, more fluid, and genuinely more elegant. It is one of the most effective style tools available, and it costs nothing. We are not talking about one flat color with no variation. We are talking about related tones within the same family. Warm ivory over vanilla cream, midnight blue over soft pearl gray, rich camel over warm sand. The tones are different enough to have depth, but close enough to read as one continuous column. The key to ensuring monochrome never looks like a uniform is texture. A fluid linen skirt with a fine cotton blouse in the same tone. A soft cashmere sweater over a crepe midi in the same color family. The surfaces are different, one matte, one with slight sheen, one soft, one structured, and that contrast creates visual richness without breaking the line. The common mistake is wearing the same fabric throughout in one color. Without texture variation, the result is flat and institutional. Mix your fabrics, keep your tones related, and monochrome becomes the most sophisticated thing in your wardrobe. Secret 5. A structured top is the midi skirt's greatest ally. Dressing beautifully after 50 is not about concealment. It never was. It is about dressing your figure with intelligence, understanding what creates balance, what defines shape, and what communicates that you know exactly who you are. A structured top paired with a fluid midi skirt is one of the most reliably elegant combinations in women's dressing. The contrast, soft and flowing below, defined and held above, creates a silhouette with genuine visual authority. Wrap-style blouses are exceptional here. They allow you to adjust the degree of definition at the waist and always look considered and feminine. Blouses with darts give you built-in shaping. Tops with structure in the shoulder are particularly beautiful if you carry weight in the hip, because they create visual balance across the body. And a fine knit sweater with the front gently tucked into the waistband, that is one of the most modern, flattering looks available right now. For cooler days, a cropped Chanel-style jacket in tweed or soft wool over a silk blouse transforms a midi skirt into something genuinely special. The proportion cropped above the waist, full below it, is one of the most flattering silhouettes ever constructed. The common mistake is a top that ends at the hip. It divides the silhouette exactly in half and breaks the visual line at the worst possible moment. Go either fully tucked in or cropped just above the waistband. Both are elegant, both work, nothing in between does. Here is something I want to say directly. The top you choose communicates how you see yourself. A top chosen to cover is different from a top chosen to celebrate. You do not need to show more than you are comfortable with. You simply need to choose with intention. Because that intention, the evidence of a woman who dresses herself with respect and self-knowledge, is what people respond to every time. Secret 6. The print that flatters versus the print that overpowers. Not all prints are working for you. Some are genuinely stunning. Others are quietly working against everything you are trying to achieve. And the difference is not a matter of taste. It is a matter of visual principle. Prints that flatter on women over 50 share certain characteristics. Small, delicate florals in muted, sophisticated tones. Diagonal or V-shaped patterns, which create verticality and draw the eye downward, elongating the figure. Clean, balanced geometrics that feel modern without creating visual noise. The principle behind all of these is the same. A dark print with fine detail visually slims. A large, pale print on a light background visually widens. Downward pointing or diagonal lines elongate. This is not opinion. It is how the eye reads pattern, and once you understand it, you cannot unknow it. The common mistake is pairing a bold printed skirt with a busy or patterned top. When the skirt has print, the top must be completely quiet. Solid, simple, calm. The skirt speaks, the top listens. That is the entire principle of what I call chromatic silence, and it is what separates an outfit that looks intentional from one that looks assembled without thought. A well-chosen print does not compete with you. It reflects you. Secret 7. Celebrate your waistline. It is your most powerful visual line. There is a truth that too many women over 50 have been talked out of. A defined waistline is not something to hide. It is one of the most powerful elements of a woman's silhouette, the point of balance, the center of the figure, the thing that makes an outfit look finished rather than simply worn. You do not need a certain waist size for this to apply to you. You need to show that a waist exists. That is all. A slim belt, leather, chain, or fabric does not need to be dramatic. It simply needs to be present. Or tuck your blouse, fully or just at the front, allowing the fabric to drape softly at the back. This creates waist definition without rigidity, shape without overstructure. The common mistake is the long, untucked top over a midi skirt. I understand the instinct. It feels like coverage, like camouflage. But what it actually creates is one long, unbroken vertical without any point of definition. Paradoxically, that formlessness reads as wider rather than slimmer. Show your center. Frame it elegantly. It is, genuinely, your most powerful line. Bonus. One skirt, 3 entirely different lives. The most costly mistake most women make with a beautiful midi skirt is wearing it only one way. The same skirt, fluid, neutral, well cut, can take you to 3 completely different places. You simply need to know the language of each. Relaxed daytime, a soft fitted top slightly tucked at the front, clean leather loafers or flat sandals, a structured tote or basket bag, simple gold jewelry. The message is effortless and considered. The kind of woman who looks polished without appearing to have tried. Smart and polished, a silk blouse or structured button-down neatly tucked, a slim belt to define the waist, kitten heels or block-heeled mules, a sleek structured bag. The message is quiet authority. Elegant, deliberate, completely in command. Evening elegance. A fitted satin camisole or luxurious fine knit top, strappy low heels or pointed flats. Statement earrings that do the work of the entire accessory story. A small clutch or elegant crossbody. The message is arrival, not effort, arrival. The skirt does not change. The top, the shoes, and the accessories do the transformation entirely. Your midi skirt is the canvas. You are the artist. Invest in one beautiful, fluid midi in a neutral tone, and you already own 3 outfits. That is not a styling tip. That is wardrobe intelligence. You made it to the end. And I want you to know that tells me something about you. You care about how you show up. You care about feeling elegant, confident, and genuinely yourself in everything you wear. So tell me in the comments, which of these 7 secrets are you trying first? Because I read every single comment on this channel, and this community, the Golden Chic Life community, is built on exactly these conversations. If this video gave you something useful today, please give it a like and subscribe to Golden Chic Life. Turn on the notification bell, because what is coming next goes even deeper into the art of dressing beautifully after 50. You deserve to walk into every room feeling exactly as extraordinary as you already are. I will see you in the next one.